It's easy to try and jam too much into your emails, but I use the MNN method when I'm emailing. The MNN stands for must, need, and nice. Often what happens when people write emails is they get like verbal diarrhea, and they basically just take every thought that they have in their head and they jot it down and they click send. And then they wonder why they get no response from the person they're sending it to, or no actions done. It's because nobody knows what you want them to do. We seem to be very quick in sending emails off, unlike the days when we would write a letter and you'd actually review it a few times before you send it. So I use the MNN method. I work out, first of all, what's the must-know items, and I document those quickly and easily. And I don't do it by having a multitude of paragraphs. Sometimes it might just be a key point and a couple of bulleted points. Then I'll put in the need to know. So what are the things that they need to know? I'd also do a paragraph, a couple of bulleted points, and the same with the nice to know. And at the end, I'd put a call to action. What is it that I'm expecting from people in order to get the result that I want? So rather than just giving verbal diarrhea off to your teammates, your colleagues, or your customers, or your suppliers, why not use the MNN method to make your life easier when you're emailing?